Tonight is another night, another beautiful night here in Southeast Asia, Malaysia to be precise. My dear friend, I have been coming your way the past weeks, the past months, concerning the word success. I have been coming away with these messages because I know the coming year, there's so much we are to achieve the coming year. 2022, the Lord has promised a lot. God in heaven has promised us so much. In the coming year, 2022, it is not going to be what we have achieved before. It is going to be what the Lord is about to do in our life in the year 2022. Tonight, I've come again once again. Wherever you are in Europe, in America, in Canada, in Africa, Nigeria, Ghana, wherever you are, I need you to understand something here. Change your values and you change your life. Change your values and then you change your life. Why am I saying this? Change your values and you change your life. I've been talking to you about your values because in your values, your success depends on the values you have. Your success depends on your values that you have currently. And your values are your daily routine, your daily activity, the things that shape your daily work, your daily movement, your daily activities. And those things contains your values. Whatever you value is what you take care of. Whatever your values are, you work on those values. If your value is to wake up and to be watching TV and is what will shape your life. If your values are to be on social media, your social media will shape your life. Before you realize it, you begin to do what others are doing on social media. My dear friend, if social media is not benefiting you, it means that you need to change that value. If social media is not benefiting you, because people like you, men like you, women like you are achieving so much on social media. They are making so much money on social media. They are making so much, thousands and millions of dollars on social media. And so if you are only on social media to be watching pictures, to be watching nasty things that are not necessary, are not beneficial to you, my dear friend, then you need to begin to change that value. Because it is not adding anything beneficial to your life. So change your values and change your life. That is my message to you tonight. Life is a mystery. And if you have been following us in the past weeks or months, you probably know what we mean. Our values plays critical role in our success. Today, when you have your values and you wrote them down in order of priority, like I told you before, if you wrote them down in order of priority, and we need you to checklist them one by one, is these values having an impact, positive impact in my life? Is these values having positive impact in my family? Is these values having positive impact in my relationship? Is these values having positive impact in my businesses? What are the results I'm achieving each day? Am I achieving the right result each day? If you are not, my dear friend, change those values. Therefore, tonight I have come to deliver to you. I have a lot of values, my personal values that I have, that I believe from this moment begin to sharpen my life or begin to shape my life towards the future. And I want to share with you 10 today. Next week, I'll be sharing with you more. And because of time, I'll be making it sharp. Because of time, because I know most of you are very busy. Most of you are very busy. Number one, courage. How much courage do you have to take risks? Courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is in the midst of the fear, in the midst of the panic. You still want to act because you can see the better result at the other side. Courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is in the midst of the fear. You are still determined. You are courageous enough to attempt it. That is courage. That's number one. Number two, kindness. How kind are you to others? How kind are you to others? Kindness is very important. How kind are you? Treat others, do you treat others the way you want to be treated? How kind are you to other people? How kind are you to them? Treating others the way you want to be treated. How kind are you to them? Kindness is a value. It's a great value. Number three, patience. Patience. You need to be patient, my dear friend. Be patient with others. Be patient with your partner. Be patient with your children. Be patient with your business partners. Be patient. How patient are you? You need it in order to be successful. Patience. Number four, integrity. Integrity. What I believe is made clear. What I believe in, you make it clear. What you believe in, make it clear and let it stand as your word. Don't compromise. Learn to maintain your integrity. Whatever you say is what you do. Let your actions and your words be the same. Integrity, you need it to be successful. And even when you are successful, it is only integrity that can keep you up there. Integrity, you need it. It's very important. Number 5, gratitude, appreciation. Anyone who wants to be successful must learn to be gratitude, to have gratitude, to appreciate little things, appreciate people around you, appreciate your friends for their support, appreciate little things. A great German philosopher once said, if the only prayer you ever say in your entire life is thank you, it's enough. If the only prayer that you have ever said is thank you to God, that is enough. Remember to say thank you to God for all He has done for you and I, even in this year. This is just an encouragement to you, just an advice to you. Gratitude and appreciation is very important. Before you can attain success in life, learn to show gratitude. Number 6, forgiveness. Learn to be forgiving. Let go. Let go. Forgive does not mean you forget. But what it simply means is that you are not going to be acting towards the person because of what he or she has done. You are not going to be reacting towards the person because of what he or she has done. You are forgiving him or her. Forgiveness is very important because you don't know tomorrow. You are not forgiving because you feel like to forgive. You are forgiving because even you yourself, you are not perfect. Even me, I am not perfect. I make mistakes. You make mistakes. That is why you must forgive. Number 7, love. Real love is wide awake, passion. Show love, show passion to people, compassion. Be compassionate on people. Show love. Number 8, growth, development, improvement. What do you want to achieve? What is your growth? What is your growth rate? Are you stagnant? Are you the type that is stagnant? You don't want to learn anything new. You don't want to change your old lifestyle. Some of us don't even know how to use fork and knife. Yet we are not ready to learn it. Fork and knife, we don't know how to use it. We are not ready to learn it. Some of us don't know how to what they call table manners. Yet we are not ready to learn it. Some of us, we don't even know how to do cleaning. Yet we are not ready to learn it. My dear friend, if you don't have anything to learn, if you don't want to learn, if you're the type that refuses to learn, to upgrade on your personality, to upgrade on your personal self, your personal lifestyle, my dear friend, you can't be successful. Because there is a table you are going to arrive in where you are going to be sharing those tables with other executives, other great men and women, presidents, heads of state. You'll be offered only fork to eat with. How do you eat? Are you the one that eat anyhow? You need to learn to develop yourself. Personal growth. You can be marking it. Learn to mark yourself. Be determined to learn new things. Be determined to upgrade yourself. The way you dress, be determined to upgrade yourself. The way you speak, be determined to upgrade yourself. Personal growth is very important. Number 9, listening ear. Listening ear. Don't be in haste to speak. Don't be in rush to speak. Have a listening ear. Because when you have a listening ear, you can learn. If you have a listening ear, you always learn something new. Don't be in haste to speak, but rather have a listening ear. Number 10, and the last one for today, respect. The same way you want to be respected, show respect to others. No matter how little that child is, no matter how big that man is, whoever you come across, show respect in the way you speak, in the way you treat others. Show respect. Respect is reciprocal. Respect is reciprocal. Show respect. That is the last one for today. That's number 10, respect. In conclusion for today, remember this. We are what we repeatedly do. We are what we repeatedly do. Whatever that you repeat each day of your life, whatever you practice, you keep practicing every day, is what shapes your life. I encourage you, I entreat you to only repeat good values, great values, things that will shape your future, because your success is so close to you. The Lord has promised that the coming year, 2022, is going to be a great year. But it can only come your way if you have great values. It is not just about dreaming big. You must have values that can cause those things to happen in your life. God bless you. Next week by this time, I'll be coming your way again. Shalom. Peace.